Now, once you have a study plan, number 3 is to get a dedicated study place. Listen, where you study, the environment within which you study is important in increasing your memory level. You cannot get up and say, yeah, I am learning, then you sit on your bed and you are learning. By the time you realize, you are dozing off. You cannot get up and say, I am learning, and there is TV there, noise in the background, people jumping around in the background, and say you are learning. You cannot pick a book and sit on the floor. Like the way we sit on the floor in the village when we used to eat fufu in the village. You sit on the floor, open your leg, and then you open your leg and sit on the floor, and you say you are learning. No. You need to have a dedicated spot to study in your house. It's important so that when you get to that spot, mentally, your brain is going to shift into study zone. And these are all mental triggers that will help you to understand, because once you get to that place, once you get to that zone, it means that your brain is going to say, hey, now we got to study, so let's study. So have a dedicated study place, have a dedicated study desk, and make sure you are sitting up straight when you are studying, because posture is key. There are some of you, you say you'll be studying, by the time you study for 1 hour and you get up, your back is hurting, your neck is hurting. Why? Because you are sitting on the wrong chair, you are sitting with the wrong table, you are having the wrong posture, and so at the end of the day, that stress, that pain is now going to take away from what you are studying or from what you studied. So now, it is not what you study that you'll be bothered about, that you'll be processing. You'll rather be processing the pain that you are experiencing, the neck pain, the back pain, the wrist pain. Like, that's what you'll be processing in your brain, ignoring what you really studied. So you want to have a dedicated place and a serene environment to study. Work it out and create that environment to study, because that is very important. Now, once you have that environment to study, now we go to the next step, and that is to have the discipline to follow that study plan. Because you see, things are going to happen.